Hello everyone, this is Avkash Prasad from Innovate Yourself. So I'm back with another video in the series of an augmented reality. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert your sketch into a reality with the help of an augmented reality. So let's start. So for that, I just open my Unity Hub software and create a new project. So I just click on new and give a name to this project, Sketch to Reality, and click on create. Now I just click on this main camera and delete it, and after that I just click on this plus button, go into the Vuforia engine and add a AR camera. You have to create your own sketchbook. As you see, I create a few sketches here, like sketches of sun, ship, car and a house. I use a sketch pen here. I also suggest you to use a sketch pen instead of using a pencil or a ball pen, because the sketch pen is quite dark and it will also help you to get a good image rating. If you want to put a color, then I suggest you to use a dark color while creating a sketch and putting a color also. In this sketch I use all the dark color and I give a shaded to it. And one more thing, don't let your sketchbook blank. Shaded it or put some dots over it or write something over it. If you don't do this, what happens when you upload the image, you do not get a good rating, or sometimes your Vuforia engine will also face difficulty to recognize your image. Now what I'm going to do, I just open my Microsoft Office Lens scanner, scan all of these images. And now I'm just going to paste all that images into my desktop. For that I just create a folder and give a name, sketch, and I just copy, and I'm going to copy all that images into this folder. And now just open your browser, search for a Vuforia and just click on develop. Now I'm going to create my new development key, so just get development key and type here a name, AR book. Just check this button and click on confirm. Now you will see that my AR book development key has appeared here, so let's click on it. This is basically a key which I am going to use. After that, what I have to do, just click on target manager and click on add database, give a name, AR book, and click on create. Now you will see my AR book database has appeared here, so I just click on it. And now I'm just going to add all my targets. So for that I just click on this add target, go into the browser, so just click on this sketch, and first of all I'm just going to add this one by one. So I just click on OK, give a width 5, rename it and click on add. As you see, my SIP image has given a 4 rating. So now I'm just going to add all of my image. So for now you will see I add all of that image, and the sun one, the image which I created with a sketch pen, has given a 1 rating. The house which I created with a ball pen, and it's again have 0 rating. The home which I made with a sketch pen have a 2 rating. Now what I'm going to do, I just add its database into my Unity. So for that, just click on this target manager, and I'm not going to collect the database of that image which have 0 rating. Remove that images and click on download database. Click on Unity editor and click on download. Now it will ask you to import, so just click on all and click on import. Now you will see the one new folder has appeared here, named streaming. Now what I am going to do, I just go into the hierarchy, click on this plus button, go into the Vuforia engine and click on this image target. And I am going to make this image target a child of this AR camera. So I just drag this image target inside the AR camera. Now I just click on this image target, go into the inspector panel. In inspector panel you will see there is an option of image target behavior and the type. So in type, right now it's written here from image, so I just click on it, select from database. Now there are two more options has appear here, database, so I just click on this and select AR book. Now you'll see in the image target all the target which I downloaded right now has appeared. So I just select the car. Now I'm going to download a car asset from my asset store. So for that I just click on this asset store. Now I'm going to open this asset store into a browser. So I just click on open in browser, and here I'm going to search a car image. So for that I just going to write here available. So I'm going to download this quick sample car pack. You will see the number of car options are available. So there is an option of add to my asset. So I just click on add to my asset. Now I'm just going to click here open in Unity. Open Unity editor. There is an option of download. So I just click on download, and it will take little bit time to download all the assets. And now I'm just going to click on import. Click on all and click on again import. Select this scene, and now I'm going to add a car. Enter into the vehicle, go into the prefix. I'm going to add this police car. So I just click on this police car and drag it into the image target. Now again go into the browser, go to the Vuforia and just click on license manager. Now again select the AR book, copy this key, just click on AR and go into the inspector panel. You will see there is an option of open Vuforia engine configuration. So just click on here, scroll up, there is an option of app license key. So just click on here and paste your license key, press Ctrl S to save it. Now I'm going to enter into the play mode to check the output. So for that I just click on play button. So as you see, my object has appeared on my target. After that, go into the asset, just click on this sample vehicle, prefabs, mobile, and look, there is an option of road. So I just drag this into a image target. So as you see, the road has appeared here. Now I just select this road and reduce its size, and also I just rotate it towards my sides. For that I just select the rotating tool. Now again I enter into the play mode. For that I just click on this. And now I'm going to add another image target. For that I just again click on this plus button, go into the Vuforia engine and click on image target, and make this image target child of AR camera. And now what I have to do, I again just click on this image target, go into the inspector panel, in type again I select from database, go into the database to the AR book, and now I select a home. And now what I have to do, I just change the position of this image target, because the car image target and the house image target both are at the same place. So that's why it's look like this. And now I'm going to add a house over it. So for that again I just enter into the asset store, and here search for a Polycity. I am going to select this Polycity. So I just click on here. There is an option of open in Unity. So just click on open in Unity, open in Unity editor, and here the Polycity free cartoon pack is available. Just click on import all and import. Now you will see in the asset section the Polycity folder has appeared here. Again I click on the scene, I just rename it first. So again I enter the hierarchy and the house image target. I select the house image target, right click over it and select. I just rename it to the home image target. And now above one car image target. Now again I select the home image target, right click over it, go to the 3D object and select a cube, and now just reduce its size over a y-axis up to 0.1 or 0.5. Now just increase its size. Now this cube has appeared as a surface. Why I did this? Because I am going to add a grass texture over it, and for that I again enter into the asset store and search for a grass. So just click on grass, and you will see there is an option of stylish grass texture. So I just select it, click on open in Unity, again open Unity editor, and again import. Just click on all and just click on import. Again just click on scene, and you see there is an option of stylish grass. So just click on here, click on texture. You see the number of textures has appeared here. So just click on it and drag it into the cube. And now I'm just going to add a house image over it. For that I just click on the Polycity, prefabs, and you will see there are a number of images as appear here. I'm going to select this house big image and drag it into the, click on this button and reduce its size. Now I just click on move tool and drag it over the cube and rotate it towards my side. Okay, now it's look good. Now I'm just going to test the output. For that again I just click on this play button. As I told you, this image has 2 rating only, so that's why it will took little bit time. Now you will see the image has appeared over it. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size little bit more. As you see, my house 3D model has appeared over the image target. Now again I'm going to add another image target. So for that I just click on this AR camera, right click over it, go into the Vuforia engine and add another image target and just rename it. So right click over it and rename to ship image target. Now just click on ship image target, go into the inspector panel. Again in the image targeting behavior I select from database, AR book, and this time I am going to select a ship and I drag this image target towards me. And now I am going to add a water texture over it. So for that I am going to enter into the asset store, and here I am going to search for a water. So just click write water. So this is a texture which I am going to download. So for that I just click on it, and there is an option of import. So I just click on import. Now you will see in the asset section NVJob simple water shader folder has appeared here. Now I'm going to click on scene, enter into the asset, click on this NVJob, click on examples, click on prefabs, and you will see there are 2 textures are appear. So now I'm going to add this texture on my ship image target. So I just drag it into the ship image target and reduce its size. So just collect. So now I again enter into the play mode. So as you see, my water image target has appear over my image target. Now I'm going to add a ship over it. So for that I again enter into the asset store, and here this time search for a ship. I'm going to use this one. So I just click over it, click on add to asset, and after that just click on open in Unity, open Unity editor, click on download, just click on import. So as you see in the asset section, a new folder has appeared here. So I just click on it. There are 2 prefabs. So again I click on scene, click on this prefabs and drag it into the ship image target. Now what I'm going to do, I just click on this water specular, go into the inspector panel, just click on this 3 dot and copy its component. Again, I just click on this board, go into the inspector panel, click on this three dots and paste all the component value. Now you will see that my board has appeared over my target. Now I'm just going to reduce its size. So as you see, I add a SIP over my SIP image target. Now let's see the output. Now you can see here my SIP has added over my image target. And now I am going to add a script to rotate my SIP. So for that, I just click on this plus button and create an empty object and give a name, and after that I just click on this SIP image target, copy its all component, click on this SIP rotation and paste all the components here. For that I just click on this three dot and paste component value. Now you will see my SIP image target and my protection both are at the same place. Now what I'm going to do, I just drag this image into inside the SIP image target. After that I just click on this SIP image target, go into the inspector panel and click on this add component. There is a new behavior script which I have already created, so I just click on it and you will see the script has added here. Now again I enter into the hierarchy, click on this board and make this board as a child of SIP rotation. So I just drag this board into inside the SIP rotation. And now let's see the output. Now you will see my SIP is rotating in a circular motion. So that's how you convert your sketch into a reality. If I change the image, like right now it's a SIP, and if I change the image from SIP to car, now you will see the car has appeared here, and again if I change it to the house, move it little bit closer, now you will see the house has appeared here. So this is also called as a multi-image tracking system, because in this, as you change the image or an image target, the 3D object or the model which you created over it has appeared. Now again I change it from house to car, then you see the car model has appeared here, and again I change it to the SIP model has appeared here. So that's how you can convert your sketch into a reality with the help of an augmented reality. So that's all in this video. I hope you understand how to convert a sketch into a reality. If you have any query, then you can comment down in the comment box. So thank you.